This is the video you should watch if you're trying to figure out how to create an AI news channel. In this video, you will learn how to create a news channel and look for trending news in simple steps using AI tools. Welcome to TechTuned, your AI-focused YouTube channel, where we unravel the latest trends and provide insightful tutorials on the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. So, let's get started. AI news channels have the potential to revolutionize the way people consume news. They can be more personalized than the regular news channels. Plus, news channels are timely. You can generate and push out news stories as soon as they happen. And the best part is that you can easily tweak your channel's tone to appeal to your target audience, since you'll most likely be operating independently. To create an AI news channel, follow these steps. Step 1. Create a YouTube channel. You can use AI to get suggestions for your channel name. I particularly like Bard because it's up-to-date and free. I'll be using this prompt. Suggest 5 names for my YouTube news channel. Here are the suggestions AI Bard came up with. Let's go with a name. Now paste Bard AI's selected suggestion and click on Create. Now we have a YouTube channel. Step 2. Customize your YouTube channel. You can't skip this part. Customizing your channel gives it a brand presence and makes it look professional. This includes adding a profile picture, banner image, and description. Canva is one of the best apps for creating quick logo and banner image designs. Number 1. Navigate to the icon on the left side of your screen and click on Customization. Next, click on Basic Information. Number 2. This is our channel's name and username. Number 3. Let's work on a description for the channel. I'm heading back to Bard AI for some suggestions. I'm going to input this prompt. Please come up with a description for my YouTube news channel. My channel is called. Bard has given us something. I prefer the second draft, so let's copy that and head back to YouTube. Number 4. Now paste the description on YouTube. Number 5. Next, we click on Publish. And that's done. Now to get our logo and banner. Log into Canva, go to the search bar and enter the prompt Logo. You will see a lot of templates. Click on the blank template. Next, search for News Logo, and you'll see a list of options. This is the logo I'll be going for. I'm just going to make some adjustments to the color, font, and size. Next, download the logo. Head back to YouTube and upload it. We're still going to need a banner, so we're heading back to Canva. Go to the search bar on the home page and enter prompt YouTube banner. You will see a lot of templates. Click on the blank template. Pick your favorite banner from the list of templates. Next, download the banner and head back to YouTube and upload it. The last phase of customization is uploading a watermark. To do this, you'll have to upload the logo again. After completing the steps, click Publish. And that's a wrap. Step 3. Create a news video. Now it's time to create your first news video. For this guide, we'll be using Synthesia to create the news video. Synthesia is a super amazing AI tool that allows you to create talking head videos. I'll add the link to the AI tool in the description. Other AI tools can comfortably create your video. You can always explore them at your convenience. Before creating the video, you'd have to source for the news content. Here's how to do that. Go to Google News, browse the news feed, and select new items that gravitate to your new channel. You can expand each news item by selecting it. Select and copy the article, then go to Bard AI and request a summary or paraphrase. For this video, I'll be using this prompt. Rephrase this article for my news channel. Paste article. Now copy Bard's response and paste it on your Word document in Microsoft Office or Google Docs. Don't forget to download some photos from the website for extra details on your news video. You can also use AI tools like Midjourney, Bing Image Creator, or any other AI tool to generate photos that match your news item. To create the news video, here's how to use the tool. Number 1. Go to the Synthesia website and create an account. Number 2. Click on Create Free AI Video. Number 3. To make free videos, use Synthesia's free AI video demo. Choose one of the 3 free video templates. Number 4. For this video, we're going with this news template because it suits the logo and banner. Number 5. Next, we're going to import the script we sourced from Bard AI. Number 6. Then choose an AI anchor. We're going with this anchor because it matches our YouTube channel and the audience we're targeting. Number 7. Synthesia's free demo video generator can convert text to video for free. Synthesia will use your audio to generate a talking head video. After this phase is completed, the next step is to go back to Canva. Select the search button on the home page and look for a news introduction video and a news break video. Canva will display a lot of options, so you can choose one that you like and edit the text to suit the channel, then download the video. Now, go to any video editor of your choice to merge all the videos. So you're merging the news introduction video, the news videos from Synthesia, some extra photos downloaded from the website or generated with AI tools, and the news break video to produce a single video that's more coherent. Of course, editing will take quite some time, so we're going to skip that phase. Once we're done editing, the news video has successfully been created, and the last step is to publish the video. To do this, go to the YouTube channel dashboard and click on Create. Then click on Upload Video, followed by Select File. Select the news video file, provide a video description for the video, and set the video to public. Then click on Publish. That's it. Have a look. Leveraging AI to create a news channel is a helpful hack that everyone should have the chance to explore. So don't hesitate to like this video and share it with your friends. For more tutorials on how to take advantage of AI tools, follow this channel. Thank you for watching.